Hey folks, Mr. McStache here, and I'm in the McStache garage. I am here to do a product review today in front of the sticker board. Also going to do a mail call, so hang around, make sure if you send me some mail, it's on there. If not, hit me up on Instagram and we'll figure out what's going on.
Oh, you didn't know?
Today we're going to be Today we are going to be doing a review on this little bag here. It's from Kuryakyn. I got to be careful because I always want to say Kuryakyn. Don't buy stuff from that guy. He kills me. Ha! Never mind. Anyhow, this is a Kuryakyn tour pack bag, which some of you this will have no influence on because you don't have the tour pack. But we picked this up. It was actually on sale right about $100. This thing, we've been using it for about a year now and we love it. I was doubtful at first because the holding system is these two bungees and a couple pieces of Velcro. I'm like, well, it goes on and off quick, but is it going to come off just as quick? So, no, it is wonderful. We do love it. It allows us to pack for a 3 to 5 day trip without using my saddlebags. I can leave the saddlebags up with what we have in there, which would be the chaps and the jackets and the rain gear, flip-flops. Yes, I said flip-flops. We carry flip-flops in the saddlebag, but that's another video, what's in my saddlebag. But this Kuryakyn, as I said, it's really easy to put on. A couple of bungees done there. The Velcro. One. Two. Three. Of course, it's gonna fight. You know how that works. 4. And it stays on there. Amazing. Does a wonderful job. Wife has her hand sanitizer and her wipes right here. She has tissues right here if she needs them. We ride like this and this stuff does not move. Of course, we do ride 2 up, so I don't know if that helps with the wind or not, but this will not move. I have ridden without the wife with this bag and it does not move. It is securely on there. So you're not going to have any problems there. Has a bungee on top if you want to add stuff. Great big zipper pocket for the top. Easy to load. 2 pockets here for knickknacks. I think she puts whatever in there. Wait. Drink, additives, rubber gloves. Big Bang card game. Yeah, so it has more than enough room for a 5-day trip, piece of cake. Wherever you're going, it's probably going to have a washing machine. So, you know, if you have to, you can do that. Or you're probably going to buy t-shirts. So, you know, you can always pack light and add t-shirts. No, it is amazing. It does a wonderful job. We love it. Makes it nice and easy. It is packed now, and we are leaving this. Okay, hang on, because this comes out Tuesday. This is packed now, which is just before the weekend, and we're leaving this weekend. So, yeah, there you go. Kuryakyn back zipper bag back here. Of course, now I have it tag. Unzip it, pulls out the rain cover. Of course, it has their name on it. Also has a tag on the big and tied up, nice and tight. The rain cover does not go anywhere. I know I got it crooked. There. Rain cover does not come off. Honestly, like I said, when we got it, I was not impressed. I I was expecting the worst. Even though it is Kuryakyn, the price was definitely doable at right around $100. So, yeah, I'd leave a link, but we bought it at Iron Pony, so there was no link. It was actually an in-store purchase. But I wanted to share that with you because, like I said, we love it. I don't have to rearrange the bag, pull a bunch of stuff out of the saddlebags and repack the saddlebags. I can leave my flip-flops in there. I told you we were in there. You thought I was joking, didn't you? Mr. Mix. Yeah, I do joke. But no, there are flip-flops in there. Over there's chaps and rain gear, stuff like that. But yes, so definitely a do. 5 days, you're covered. For 2 people. We can do 5 days for 2 people on that. If we push it, we can probably do 10, but I also have a larger bag, the one that's supposed to sit here. I'll turn it sideways and set it on here if I'm going to go on a 10-day trip with the both of us 2 up. Which brings me to the fact I noticed a lot of people doing discussions here about 2-up riding. The wife and I have done, as I said, 10-day trips, 2-up riding. We've done short trips, like this weekend we're going for 3 days, 2-up riding. If you have any questions about taking a 2-up trip, please feel free to put them in the comments, and we'll get back with you on that because we do a lot of 2-up riding. While you're there, just above the comments is a thumbs up. Go ahead and give me one of those because it makes me feel good. But now we're getting to the part I like the best. Mail call. First one we have is from the Moto Marine. Sends a nice little note. Says, hey, thank you for following Instagram and YouTube. It's much appreciated. Hope to grow my channel. So there you go, guys. Moto Marine. He's looking to grow his channel. Let's go over and let's give him a couple of views. You don't even have to tell him I sent you. Just go over there and hang out with him. Check out a couple of his videos. We're going to put the Moto Marine on the board. Next one up is, I'm sure a lot of people have heard this name because I have seen it several places. I even heard him mentioned on the 5 Dirty Bikers one time. I think he did a Discord thing and got on there. But this one is Chase the Ride. Put him on the board. Chase the Ride sent me a nice little note. Let's see if we can read it for you. Enjoy your channel. You and your wife are a fun couple to watch. Conversations are so funny. If you don't know what you're here, you know what he's talking about. But Chase, I'll have you to leave my wife out of this. She's my wife. I'm kidding. Next one we have is T. Cooper, Ty from Tennessee. Give you a couple good shots of his there. I'm going to put Ty up here. Yeah. I'm going to put you upside down. I'll go back and straighten those later. Ty from Tennessee. There'll be links to all these channels in the description. I'm pretty excited about the stickers I recently received. So I'll tell you how old this is. This is back when he first got his stickers. And we did a sticker swap. Looking forward to providing more videos and great content to share. I hope you enjoy the stickers. Slap them on something for me. They're on something, buddy. There you go. The last one, I have to apologize to this guy. Tony Northern from Kentucky. I received your letter last week. Thank you. I will do a mail call. Put your sticker up. He says he's going to Sturgis. He wants to meet us there. Yeah, I'm not going to Sturgis. Too many people. Thanks again for the sticker. Stay healthy and shiny side up. Unfortunately for me, I don't have his sticker here. It's in the office. I set it aside to put it on a magnet, and then I don't know where I set it aside at. So there you go. Sorry, Tony. No, I was right. Sorry, Toby. I do have it. It is here. I just gotta get it here. So there you go, folks. Thank you so much for watching. We love every one of our subscribers. We are getting real close to 300, which would be another giveaway. But as Mama said, every 100 we hit, we're going to give another giveaway. So, share these with your friends. Please send them out. Say, watch this idiot. You won't believe how crazy he is. But anyhow, so it's cool. See? Kuryakyn, I said it again. The Kuryakyn trunk bag. Love it. Great stuff. Again, check out these guys. Moto Marine, Chase the Ride, Ty from Tennessee, and Toby Northern. Check them out. Thanks a lot, folks. I'm getting out of here because it is hot. You can probably hear my giant fan running. It's only helping a little bit. Yeah. So, thank you, folks. Love on your family. Check on your buddies. And when you get back at it, keep it rubber side down. Oh, wait. Let's try this real quick. If you didn't get enough of Mr. McStache's motorcycle meanderings, I just realized I didn't do my mustache. Anyhow, there's a video here and a video here. Maybe down here. And a subscribe button here. Thank you, folks. We'll see you later.